Hello everyone, welcome to Jinghua Education. I'm Steven. In this video, we're going to talk about the linear function part 10, the slope point forms. And then the special of this one is we're going to draw a line at the same time, so you're going to determine the equation by given 2 points. Okay, so this is not hard part. Okay, so but if you don't understand part 9 and part 8, or you haven't checked this out, please go back to do so. It's make more sense once you understand the part 8 and part 9. Okay, good. Let's see a question here. We got a 2 point. One is a -3 and -1, and the other one is the 2 and -6. We're going to writing the equations and draw a line. Personally, I think equation is better to draw here. And then we're going to writing the equations of slope point forms. Okay, so slope point forms, slope intercept forms, both we need to find the slope first. The slope equal to what? Equal to rise over run, right? So which is y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Okay, y2 is how much? We're just using any one minus any one. So this is y2, this is y1. So -1 minus bracket -6. Okay, and then -3 minus 2. As I said, you want to use this point minus the other point. It must be the same order. Okay, this is y1 minus y2. This is x1 minus x2. You have to be like consistent. You cannot just say use this one to minus this one, using this one minus this one, then you got wrong number. Okay, good. All right, we got slope equal to this. So we got a -1 minus -6, which is +6, equal to 5. And then -3 minus 2, which is equal to -5. So the slope equal to -1. Okay, slope equal to -1. And then we're done pretty much. Why? Because we have the point already. Okay, so we got a 1 as m value, right? Just say 1. And then x minus what? Minus the x value here. X minus -3, which is x equal to +3. And then y minus -1 equal to y plus 1 equal to this. Okay, so we don't actually need the 1 here anymore. So that's it. That's the formulas. Make sense? Good. All right. So let's see what else. Slope. And then we need to draw the graph, right? Same thing here. We can use any point any way we want. For example, we got this one, -3, -1, which is -3 and -1. We got a point here. Okay, and then the other one is the 2, -6. So +2, -6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is here. Okay, and then we just connect them, and that's it. Okay, that's one way to drawing it. What about the other way? Let's try the other way. Okay, so we got this one as well, -3, -1. So -3, -1, we got our point here. Okay, and then we don't use this point. We don't use this point. We're using point and a slope. -1 means what? -1 means when x moving right by 1, the y going down by 1. So moving right by 1, down by 1, which is this point here. Because we got the other point here. Okay, we connect these two blue dot. Hey, we got exactly same line here. Make sense? Okay, that is how to graph linear functions with the two kind of ways. One is using 2 point, most easiest ways. The other one is using 1 point and slope. It's both give you the same answers. All right, good. Let's see next. Here we go. We got another one, -4, 7, 5, -3. I'm just going to do it, and then if you want to try yourself, please pause the video. You can pause now. Okay, if you paused, good for you. And then you probably have the answer. I'm just going to say the answer right away. Okay, so we got a slope which is equal to 7 minus -3, and then -4 minus 5. Okay, which is equal to 10 over -9. See, this kind of question is just not very nice. So it's like this number is really, really hard to control because it's like too big, and then it's not a whole number. So in these ways, the way to drawing slope must be like going right by 9, go down by 10, something like that. And so otherwise, if you're choosing the -10 negative 10 over 9, which is really hard to draw in here. Okay, good. All right, so we got a line here, a slope. So we just pass this. So 10, negative 9. Okay, x what? Plus 4, right? And then y minus 7 equal to that. Finish. That's the slope point forms. Okay, in order to draw that, I don't really want to draw the slope here because we need to moving right by 9. Moving down by 10 is very easy. We don't have enough space here. Then we just use these 2 points here. Negative 4, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Positive 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this point. Okay, and then 5 and negative 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 3, this point. Okay, we just draw a line, connect these 2 dots, and finished. Okay, so simple enough. Good. Okay, the next one, we got a line pass through these 2 points. Okay, before we say that, anything special? X value equal to X value. What that means? X value going to equal to X value, we know our slope going to be a problem. Why? Because y minus y, y1 minus y2, x1 minus x2, right? So x and x1, x2 are the same. We're going to have 0 in the denominator problems. So what we have? We got NA slope. Remember what is NA slope? So vertical line is NA slope, right? Good. So vertical line is NA slope. So we got a vertical line with x equal to what? Negative 9, right? So x equal to negative 9, which is here. A blue line. Finished. We draw the line here. Okay? And then what is the formula? The formula just equal to x equal to negative 9. Finished. There's no slope, no y-intercept. Just 2 points here. Negative 9, which is negative 9, negative 7, which is down here. Negative 9, negative 4, which is negative 9, negative 4 down here. If you connect these 2 points, we got exactly the same answer. All right? Good. That is something a little bit strange, but we have talked about these things so many times. We got if we got a vertical line, which is slope does not exist. If you see the 2 point x value are exactly the same, it means it's a vertical line. Okay? So if you understand this, that will be good for you. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will answer your question in my next videos. If you like, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. Thank you for watching.